Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically remove background from kind of any object on CapCut PC. It's not super accurate, but I know the auto cutout only works with people and not just objects necessarily. And I want to, for instance, remove background from this, so I'm just going to select customize. Before I start, this is a pro feature. I did put it in the title, so before y'all start yapping at me, this is a pro feature. I'm just going to outline the object and try my best to. You can also kind of fill it in. This is going to be very messy because I'm doing it on a time crunch here, but you can take your time just selecting the object. As you can see, it selected the background as well. You can select the eraser tool and just delete the background if it will allow me to do so. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, there you go. I'm just going to select this not very neatly because, well, you get the point. You're just going to select the object and erase some that you've missed, and then you're going to basically simply select the apply button and it's going to delete that. Again, this is very messy work, but I'm sure you'll do better than me once you do this on your own because you'll have more time. But that's pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!